Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters. Today let's do another unboxing video. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this butterfly curve pressure cooker. So this is butterfly curve stainless steel pressure cooker, the capacity of which is 3 liters. This is stainless steel, as I said, color not applicable since it's stainless steel, and other details are given below. So let's just open this up now. This is the warranty card. We'll come to this later. The lid. And the weight here. And the base. Now let's keep this aside. So this is how the pressure cooker looks. You can see I'm holding it in my hand to gauge the size. I know you can look up the size in the website, but for ladies to be able to gauge the size, this gives an accurate estimate about how big it is. So this is the lid. This is how it looks. Now let's look at it individually. This thing is quite sturdy. This is not a tri-ply pressure cooker. This is a sandwich bottom pressure cooker made in India. So the capacity is 3 liters. The batch number is mentioned here, and the ISI mark is also here. This is made in India, and as you can see, this is a sandwich bottom, not the tri-ply bottom. Even though this is a sandwich bottom, I see that the thickness of the pressure cooker is quite thick. Hence, it is giving a very heavy feel in spite of it not being a tri-ply pressure cooker. And let's come to the handles now. Handles, though made of plastic, are very sturdy, quite sturdy. And this side also there is a handle which is given for easy lifting and keeping it from the stove or onto the stove. The capacity is 3 liters. I believe that this should be sufficient to make rice for a family of 2, or maybe a family of 3 if the kid is small. If the family is big, this is good enough pressure cooker to make your daily lentils, that is dal, or to pressure cook any vegetables, or for non-vegetarians to make meat as well. So this is all about how my feeling on my review on the base. Now let's go to the lid. So lid, again you see the butterfly mark here. It's written here butterfly pressure cooker, and this is also ISI certified. You can see the ISI mark as well. In the market there are not many pressure cookers which are ISI certified. Even though they are tri-ply, they do not have ISI certification. This is one of the pressure cookers which is ISI certified, so making it more reliable. And here you see the gasket. There is a safety valve here, in line with the regular pressure cookers, and the lid is also quite heavy, and the edges are all not sharp, done well. They are not sharp, they are smooth, and overall good finish of the lid to fit the pressure cooker. Since this is a curved model, it looks quite cute on the countertop as well, and the butterfly design on the lid adds to the aesthetics. I like the butterfly designs anyway, and this looks pretty cute and will look very good on the countertop as well. So overall, this is my review about the butterfly curve 3 liter pressure cooker. sandwich bottom. Sandwich bottom means you can use this on the induction as well, in addition to on the gas stove. So let's see what is there on the warranty card. This is the instruction manual with the warranty card. So they have given the picture of all the different models of butterfly pressure cooker. This is the outer lid pressure cooker. Many of you know that there are many inner lid pressure cookers as well in the market. So the details are mentioned here. What are all the parts of the pressure cooker, and the weight set, safety valve, gasket release system, vent, and the handles. These are made with Bakelite, which makes them heat resistant and non-inflammable through a special mounting process. So they have taken good care of the safety as well. And this is spill-free technology deep lid. Precisely designed deep lid prevents excess water flowing down the pressure cooker. And there is a pressure indicator, and the basics instructions for how to use, do's and don'ts. And the warranty, this has 5-year warranty, and important safeguards, cooking time chart, like how much quantity should be added and how much time it takes, if it is in full pressure, cooking in medium flame, and total number of minutes is mentioned here, which is very helpful. And on all, what are all the heat sources it can be used? This is induction hob, hot plate, LPG stove, and halogen stove. This can be used. So you can go through the instructions if you intend to buy this. The warranty card again, which needs to be filled and sent to the company, and here the service support number is provided. So this is 5 years warranty, ISA certified and ISO certified as well. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to keep watching many more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching.